For those who value their time and want to get a complete theory course on FPV without looking for questionable information from different sources. Especially for you, I have created my second large-scale exclusive course of 13 lessons on theory and engineering, totaling 7 hours of highly concentrated information that every FPV pilot must definitely know. It is essential for those who are starting their journey in FPV and for those who need to improve their already acquired skills. In it, we will figure out the selection of ideal components for your current tasks. Save your time and money by using only what you really need, without disappointments and wasted resources. FPV is primarily about attention to detail, and for this, you need to have a large theoretical knowledge base. For this, we will examine in great detail the important characteristics of each component in the drone down to the atomic level from the scientific point of view of physics, radio engineering, and engineering with the subsequent logic of combining them together with practical lessons on their proper connection. We will learn to read engineering maps and diagrams. We will thoroughly explore drone programming for its correct and reliable operation. Therefore, dive into this exciting world of FPV with an incredible and extensive FPV course from beginner to pro.